What's up? Today we are gonna go check out Value Village. I got a thrifting buddy with me. You can't really see him, but Jeff's with me and we're gonna go see what we can find. It's end of day on Senior Tuesday. Not sure what my expectations are, but I'm hoping for a few finds. Jeff's
if anything, we'll find something that fits me.
He's my good luck charm. He always finds good stuff. Okay, let's head in. Oh my gosh, one of my favorite styles from mountain. Totally grabbing that. Jeff. Oh gosh. I'm gonna switch to doing voiceover. The sound was really bad and I had a super thick mask on. So first section I went to was the shoes and boots. I just been here the other day, so a lot of things I already recognized. I wasn't sure what this brand was. And then I quickly looked at the sole and it really had a cheap sole, and that's kind of how I quickly sort through items. They had a pair of emo boots. I thought they were Uggs. I found these Box. I like to sell Box. I like Box boots, but I wasn't a huge fan of this style. I don't know why. Abandoned swimsuit. There's so many cheap boots here, and I don't mean price cheap, but cheap quality. These Guess ones I saw the other day, they were actually asking $30 for them. Way too much money. These Ms. Moos, I've looked at these a couple times, but the heel has wear on the leather part. Just not salvageable. Oh, I like the stitching on these ones, but when I flip them over, very, very cheap sole, cheap leather, not even leather, pleather. These ones are kind of cool. They have embossing on them, but again, just really cheap shoes. They look cool, but not worth grabbing. I don't think the profit return on them would be that great. I found these pair of Vessies. Vessies are waterproof shoes. I think they sell them online, but they resell for quite a bit on Posh Canada. They need a little bit of cleaning, but $5.99, I took them. Looking through shoes, I found these New Balance shoes. Wasn't sure what they would retail for, but the resale on them was actually $25 to $50. And these ones were really dirty. Both shoes were priced at $17.99, so I didn't think that they were big enough gain to grab. And I'm always looking for John Fluvogs. I don't know, I found a couple pairs at this store over the last year, so I'm always looking for unique ones. Shoes is not my specialty. I'm sure I pass so many shoes that are good quality that I just don't even know, and I don't have the patience to look at all the individual names on the shoes while I'm looking. We're just gonna mosey out of this department and make our way. Ooh, what are these pants? BC Clothing. I'm always hoping they're Patagonia or Mountain Hardware, but BC Clothing doesn't really resell for very much. And oh, there's Jeff. What'd you find? Oh, that's pretty good.
And then this one. Remember that commercial? Gets a red.
Oh my gosh, if you are a Canadian, you know who Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod are. They were from Participaction. They did over 300 episodes of fitness, exercise, nutrition tips. They're a huge part of every 90s Canadian kid watching TV because you could not miss their commercials and they were so catchy. Keep fit and have fun. All right, heading over to the athletics section. I love to take a quick look through here, looking for some newer style Lululemon tops or sports bras. Not sure what the brand on that one was. It did kind of remind me of a Lulu material. Same with this one. It's definitely something I want to expand my category knowledge in because I don't know a lot of athletic brands. I pretty much just go for Lululemon. What would be another one? Good Eddie Bauer, North Face stuff. My brand knowledge here just isn't that big, and I've had some really good luck where I've found some crazy sports bras. All right, we're out of here. Let's see where the next section takes us. coats and jackets, one of my favorites. I've been finding so many cool, unique pieces here. Today, it just looks kind of like that run-of-the-mill jacket, some older styles, lots of garage, and I gave up. I went over to the sweaters. I'm just quickly kind of flipping through. I saw Jeff was walking around. I could tell he was wrapping up. Ooh, what's this? Oh, Burton. I love Burton. I'm gonna grab it, I think. Yeah, let's toss it in the cart. We'll check comps on it when we go through everything. But for now, I'm gonna grab it. Sweaters, I'm definitely looking for unique, handmade, chunky knit, maybe some Bolo brands. I like to find equipment brand ones. I feel like they sell for pretty good if you can get a trendy style. There are so many sweaters at our store. Living in Canada where it's like commonly minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, we have a lot of sweaters. This one was cool. It was Northern Reflections, but it was kind of shrunk and I just didn't like how it was looking. This one I thought was kind of cool too, but very cheaply made, so I'm going to pass on that. This was a TNA Aritzia, but an older style. I haven't really been picking those up anymore. And I'm just kind of quickly looking through. A lot of times I'm just looking for colors or fabric material types. I think this was an Eileen Fisher, but it was a petite, like size 2. You're never going to believe what I just found in the sweater section. I found this super cool, beautiful wool jacket, and can you guess the brand? LL Bean. Oh my gosh. They were asking quite a bit of money for it, but I'm going to toss it in my cart and we'll check comps on it when we go over everything. I also found this super cool knit poodle sweater. Unfortunately, all the white parts have been bled red from the red sweater. So sad. Okay, Jeff is seriously my good luck charm. Just found this dress hanging out on the end of a rack, and Faithful the brand, $14.49. I will take it. What? All right, let's go over what we found. These are a pair of Lululemon Align tights. They were in a size 2. I thought they were in great condition, but when I got home, they had paint on them. I ended up returning them. Next up was this Lulu long sleeve shirt. Jeff had found this and he was like, what do you think? But $30? That's a lot of money. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave it. I also found another pair of Lulu leggings. These are high-waisted. They are an older style. They're probably like a 2016, but they're in my size, so I'm going to keep them because I love my tights, my Lulu leggings. And this cat shirt. You know I'm keeping this. I love crazy cat shirts, and a lot of times I just keep them for myself. I don't even think I'm going to resell this. It'll just be like a lounge around the house shirt. Next up is this vest, this sweater vest. I love the uniqueness, the applique, the embroidery. I sold a similar one on Etsy at Halloween for $50, so I'm hoping that that will sell on Etsy. I also found this, actually Jeff found these Calvin Klein jeans, but when we got to the till, we actually discovered the button popped off, so I was so sad because they were $10 and I had a coupon. That would have been a steal. Next sweater is this Angora beautiful, soft, floral embroidered cardigan sweater. Very dainty. I think I'm out of season. I think people just aren't looking for sweaters as much anymore, but I absolutely love it. And then this was a huge one. Patagonia. This is a merino wool long sleeve, long fitted sweater. I've actually already had 3 people message me about it, so hoping that this sells in the next couple days. And the Burton sweater, $12.99. I mean, they sell for a lot of money here, but the resale value isn't necessarily there. Kind of sad. If it would have been my size, I probably would have kept it. The LL Bean. Now, I really had to think hard on this. They wanted about $30 for it. I checked comps, and the sold comps on Poshmark were around $80. I think I grab it, but I actually end up putting it back. I have regrets. I should have grabbed it. I should have priced it high. Next is this really unique textured knit sweater. I'm always grabbing those. And then the Faithful, the brand dress. That's a cool piece. I've never found this, and it actually already sold for $40. So she sent me an offer. I took it. Not sure if Jeff was my good luck charm for him finding stuff, but I found lots of things tonight. Kind of excited about that. Thanks for coming. All right, I'm out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed our quick little thrift trip in the evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye!